premium package navigation leather backup camera. Thank you for giving Keys Lexus the opportunity for your purchase of a quality pre-owned vehicle. We have a large selection of makes and models at our huge facility. Please stop by our pre-owned center, or contact the Keys Lexus Internet Department for more information.